Alright, so he was making a right coming towards me, my street, and then he made a left, bent down into El Dorado, and now he made almost a 90-degree turn. I was standing outside 24211, and he's coming straight up my street. You can see right there. As I walk to the side, he's just responding to me. Avoid the lights, headlights, and avoid the sound. So I mean, there's like the underlights, the two underlights, the white ones, all the colors. They're just crazy, sick bastards. So it basically flew over 24211. It flew over the house next to it, closer down the street to my house, 24201. Now it's continued out towards Geronimo Alicia.